the Fortune Guarantee Plus. Okay, now it offers a lot of flexibility in terms of long term guaranteed tax free income, which means it offers an income either annual income or a monthly income over a period of 45 years maximum. Minimum income period is 20 years, and it offers a long term income up to 45 years. Okay, in a savings plan, first time we are introduced this in long term income plan, and this is a 100% guaranteed plan. Okay, so that flexibility is there, point one. And point two, even if you see here, we are coming out with the return of premium. Now, something, if you talk about the fixed deposit, right, wherein we deposit a principal amount and we start getting the income at the end of the maturity, we also get the principal back. So something like that here, if you see, with additional benefit, we also give the similar returns, which means whatever the premium you are paying, okay, annual premium, if you, for example, if you are paying for 5 years, the premium will be increased by 5%. Okay, at the end of the maturity, we also return back all the premium received from the customer. That's a second flexibility what this plan offers. We will see with an example how the plan works, but however, the key highlights is what we are discussing now. Now, if you also see, in order to make a difference between the customers, right? In case of HNI customers or super HNI customers, wherein they wanted to pay the more premium, right? Or in case if they go for a PPT, that's a premium paying term, more than 5 years, there is a difference in the income what they receive, which means they receive higher income. So, in order to that difference, the income is increased depending upon the premium. Okay, so that's another benefit what we also added in this plan. Not only that, now in this plan, we are also coming out with the commutation option. Okay, what it means, commutation option is nothing but customer can take out the whatever the money value is there at any point of time during the income period. He can come and take out that with the current value, present value. He can, which means he can withdraw the policy. It's as good as he is withdrawing the policy with the present value. Okay, now the other option is, in case if customer continues to receive the income during the income period, and if he happens to die in that income period, the nominee has an option either to continue receiving the income every year, or the nominee can commute it. Okay, he can take a lump sum. Commutation is nothing but taking the future value of guaranteed income with the conversion of the present value. So the nominee also has got an option. So that is the meaning of commutation option, during the income period, whether the policy holder can commute it, or in case of death of the policy holder, the nominee can commute it. Nominee has both the options. Okay, now not only that, we are also added comprehensive riders. What are the riders we are adding? Now it is not only the life insurance solution as a standalone option we are giving to customer. We are also adding certain important benefits to the customer. It's a value added benefits in the same plan, like we are adding Criticare Plus rider, okay, which covers 40 major critical illnesses. Customer can add that as an option in the Fortune Guarantee Plus plan. One. Number two, which means the Criticare Plus rider is nothing but which covers 40 major critical illnesses. Any first diagnosis of the critical illness, the entire sum assured of that critical illness is paid to the customer in order to take care of their medical expenses. This is point one, first rider. Now the second rider, coming to the second rider, we also have a Hospicare reimbursement kind of a rider, and the third one is accidental death benefit rider, and the fourth one is accidental total and permanent disability rider. So all these four riders also comes with this particular plan as an optional to the customer whether to choose additional benefit by paying a little bit extra premium along with the annual premium. Okay, now if you see in this flexibility, okay, now if you further go into this plan, apart from this flexibility what we just spoke, if you see this plan, Fortune Guarantee Plus comes with two options. Okay, like two option in the sense, one is regular income option. Okay, wherein customer pays the premium, he starts getting the income, and again on maturity he gets some lump sum income of the principal. That is the regular income option. Now, if the customer chooses regular income option with critical illness inbuilt option, okay, we have inbuilt another rider here. Okay, this is not an optional. In case if customer chooses the second option, regular income with critical illness inbuilt option, then that option is called option 2. Okay, wherein we will discuss that in the further slides. Okay, so that comes with the two. The plan comes with the two option. One is regular income option. The second one is regular income with critical illness inbuilt option. Okay, we will see that when we are seeing how the plan works. And also here we have a flexibility in the premium paying term. Okay, one is we have a single premium option also we can offer to the customer, and we are also having a limited premium option, and again regular premium option between 5 to 12 years. So single premium is one time premium, and limited premium and regular premium is nothing but a customer can choose any year between 5 to 12, like 5 years he can pay, 6 years he can pay, 7 years he can pay, like so on. Maximum premium paying term is up to 12 years. So team, limited premium is nothing but limited premium and regular premium paying term is between 5 to 12 years. Now coming to policy term, okay, it starts with minimum policy term of 5 years, okay, and maximum policy term of 17 years. Now if you see here, limit, if somebody is opting for the regular premium or limited premium of 5 years, okay, customer has to select the minimum policy term of 5 years. So which means the premium paying term and policy term will be 5 years, both will be 5 years, and from 6th year onwards the income will start. Okay, the reason why we are stressing on the policy term is that till the time the policy term is there, customer will also will get the benefit of the life cover. Okay, so that we will further look into the plan how it works. And the income term, okay, the total income, as I was explaining, the maximum is 45, and the minimum income term customer should select is 20 years. Okay, not less than 20. So minimum income term 20 years and maximum income term should be 45 years. Of course, we also have a mode of the payment. Customer can choose monthly income also for the rest of the income period, or customer can select annual income, and this has to be selected at the inception. So in between he cannot do any changes once the policy is issued. Similarly, customer also has an option to take on a single life, or on the joint life also customer can take. So these are the flexibilities which comes out. We will see how it works in the further slide in order to have a better understanding, and then we will take up the queries according from everyone. Okay, so now if you see this plan, regular income option, option 1. Okay, I was explaining you there are two options. One is option 1, regular income option. Option 2, regular income option with inbuilt critical illness, right? So this is an example of option 1. Now where the premium paying term, a customer selects a premium paying term of 6 years, okay, and policy term is 7 years. Okay, now if you see here, income term selected by the customer is 40 years. Okay, now 1 lakh rupee customer pays, 1 lakh rupee customer pays for 6 years, which means customer pays 6 lakhs rupees, and then till 7th year the policy term will be there. Okay, 1 year, you need to wait for 1 year after paying the premium, and from the 8th year onwards the income starts. This is a total fixed income, depending upon the age, depending upon the premium, and depending upon the premium paying term and the policy term, the income is multiple factor. Okay, the income is decided on the multiple factor on age, premium paying term and policy term, and the premium amount what the customer pays. Now if you see in this example, okay, if you see in this example, customer pays 1 lakh rupee for 6 years, and he gets 41,930 rupees annual income from 8th year onwards for next 40 years. Okay, for next 40 years. Also in the last year, he gets return of premium of 6 lakhs rupees. Okay, so total put together for 6 lakhs rupees, customer gets 22 lakhs 77,200. This is the total income over a period of for 40 years what customer gets. But the net overall time period, if you see, it is going to be 40 years plus 47 years, which means 6 years customer pays the premium, 1 year he'll have to wait for that 1 year resting period. This is an option. In the option 1, limited premium payment is what we are talking about over here. Okay. 6 years customer pays, 1 year is taking the resting period, which means it's a limited premium payment option. 8th year onwards, customer is receiving the income, which is 41,930 rupees every year. Okay. Now, if you see the overall 6 lakhs rupees he pays and 22 lakhs 77,200 he receives as a total benefit, it is completely a tax-free benefit. Okay, it's completely a tax-free benefit and guaranteed income. The income will not change any point of time. And if you see the first 7 years, there is also life cover which is given. 1 lakh is the annualized premium into 10 times. So 10 times is the life cover what comes with this plan for the first 7 years before the income is started. Okay. So this is the regular income limited payment option what in this example it is shown here. Now I will just show you the another option also, wherein this is a same option 1 wherein customer pays for 10 year and policy term he chooses for 12 years. This is a regular income option, not the limited pay option. It's a regular income option. Customer has selected 10 year payment option and policy term 12 years. Now if you see here, this is an example of 35 year income. Customer pays 5 lakh rupee for 10 years. Okay, 5 lakh rupee for 10 years, which means total premium paid is for 50 lakhs for 10 years. And then you need to wait till 12 years. After the year he has taken 2 years lock-in period, which means 11th year and 12th year, and from 13th year onwards the income starts. Okay, so first 10-year premium paying term, so he has opted for the income waiting period for 2 years, and then from 13th year onwards the income starts. What is the income that we are giving? Depending upon the age and premium paying term and all those options, customer will get 5,03,650 rupees per annum for 35 years. Okay, so here the income term is income term example what is shown is here for 35 years. Okay, so 5 lakh paid for 10 years, 50 lakhs, and again this 50 lakhs will be given back to the customer on the last year. In this example, if you see a 35-year age person receiving the maturity or last income in the age of 81. Okay, when he is 81 years, and then if you see 5,03,650 received for 35 years, which is 50 lakhs plus 5,03,650 into 35 years, total put together 2 crore 26 lakhs 27,750 is what the total benefit we are offering to the customer. And it comes with an IRR of 6.06% with the current rate of interest kind of a return, 100% guaranteed with comes with tax-free benefit. Okay. If you see this particular, these are the two options. Okay, just to explain you, this is the option 2. Okay, this is the option 2 what comes with the inbuilt critical illness option. Okay, regular income with inbuilt critical illness option. How does this work? If you see premium paying term selected by the customer is 5 years, and policy term is also 5 years. Okay, so here the income starts immediately from the 6th year onwards. If you see 1 lakh rupee customer pay, a 35-year age person paying 1 lakh rupee for 5 years. Okay, paying 1 lakh rupee for 5 years. 5 lakhs rupees is what 1 lakh rupee he pays for 5 years. 5 lakh rupees is what customer pays. Okay. Now 6th year onwards, if you see, the customer starts receiving the income of 30,440. Okay, 30,440 is the income what customer receives for next 30 years. Okay, next 30 years. Now, in this inbuilt critical illness plan, what happens is that in the first 5 years, okay, in the first 5 years, If customer happen to get diagnosed with the any one critical illness out of these 40 major critical illnesses, okay, out of 40 major critical illnesses, if customer happen to diagnose with one disease, okay, then what happens? The future premiums are waived off here. Okay, during the premium paying term, if customer is diagnosed with critical illness, the future premiums are waived off, and then the income what is supposed to be started at 6th year will get pre-started from the 3rd year onwards. Okay, the income starts immediately. Customer premiums are waived off, and the income starts immediately to the rest of the income term. Okay, so team, again, at the end of the term, if you see here, since only customer has paid only 2-year premium over here, okay, only the 2-year premiums will be returned back to the customer in at the time of maturity. Okay, that's another point which we need to make a note of it. It's not that we return back 5 years premium because customer has selected 5-year premium payment option. No, it is the 2-year premium is what we are going to return back at the end of the maturity, because customer is diagnosed with the critical illness, and in case of the death, okay, in case of the death within the 5 years, okay, we also waive off that waive off that premium. Not only waiving off that premium, we will also continue the cover. Okay, we will also continue the cover because life cover is given for the death of the customer, okay, policy holder. So in case of death within the 5 years, the 10 times of 1 lakh will be given, which is 10 lakh will be given, and the policy will get closed there. In case if customer does not die, he will continue to receive the income for next 30 years. Okay, so if you see here, this is the boundary line. Okay, the boundary line, fortune guarantee plus with 2 option what I was explaining, and it comes with the minimum age at entry of minimum entry age is 1 year for option 1, and 18 years for option 2, because there is a critical illness inbuilt in the option. So that is the reason minimum age at entry is 18 years in case if option 2 is opted. Okay, and rest of it all explained, like single pay, limited pay, and regular pay. But there is a difference in the option 2. If you see, only regular pay option is available. There is no single pay and limited pay option available in the option 2. Only regular pay, either you can go for 5 pay and 10 pay. And similarly, policy term also varies in the option 2, wherein for 5 pay 30 years fixed you can choose, for 10 pay 25 years fixed you can choose, and this is applicable only in the option 2. But in the option 1, whatever I have explained now, with the limited pay and uh, with the limited pay and regular pay, that is available. Okay, otherwise there is no maximum premium as such, but minimum premium to source is 5,000 for single pay and 24,000 per annum for limited pay and regular pay. For broking channel, there is a minimum premium expected is that 50,000 rupees ticket size is what the minimum we can source, but not lesser than that. So in case if there is any further clarification required on this plan, like how this plan works, now open to questions. Anybody has any questions, you can ask me. Hello, I hope I am audible to all. Hello.
Yes, Venkatesh, you are audible.
Hi.
So here we are getting question in chat box. So Mr. Jagdish asking, is this single premium option is available?
Single premium option is also available, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Single premium option in the plan, it is available. I hope if Pradeep is for broking channel, if the depending upon the partners, okay, depending upon the partners, in case if you have received that list of the product what you can sell with the limited pay options and the regular pay options, in that if the single pay option is available, then you can definitely source it, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I would like to put in some points. We We very much have single premium option in this Fortune Guarantee Plus. It is a one-stop shop plan. You have a single payment option, you have a regular payment option as well, and you have a limited payment option. You have all these three categories in a single plan.
Okay, so fine,
Okay.
ma'am. That clarifies. No, single premium is also there for
Yes,
your
yes,
for you.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Now we have second question. Can we get this PPT?
definitely, ma'am. I will. Pradeep, you can please share that PPT what I have sent to you in the group or to madam in the WhatsApp itself. You can share it.
Okay. Thank you.
We will
Now
do it, ma'am.
we have, yeah, sure. Now we have question from Priya.
Yeah.
What is the documentation requirement?
Documentation is very simple, ma'am. Now we log in all the cases through tab. We need one photograph, color photograph of the customer. Along with that, we need PAN copy and PAN copy for ID proof and regulatory requirement, and also the income, the address proof, the basic document which is an Aadhaar card, which is having the current address, and it should the name, date of birth, address, everything should match with all the documents. Okay, it should be the same. And again, a check payment, and we can also source it through the digital mode. Customer can pay through the debit card, customer can pay through the credit card, okay, online, or you can even give the check mode also. Check mode is also accepted for our broking channel. So all these modes are available. And with these three documents, customer, if he is paying if he or she is paying through online, that is also acceptable. And one standing instruction ECS also we need to be collected for the renewal premium payment. So these are the simple documents, ma'am. And in case if there is premium is more than 5 lakh rupee, then we also need a salary slip of the customer, which is a 3 months pay slip. In case if it's a business people, we also require an ITR with computation of income.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you.
Very
Now
simple. Yeah.
Okay. Now we have another question from S. Nimodia. Is this better than Sanchay Plus or other senior citizen FD by government?
Ma'am, FD we cannot compare. Yeah, definitely, ma'am. This plan offers you the much more than benefit, wherein we cannot even compare with those plans, the existing plans. Okay. Yeah, if you ask me with all these benefits, whatever I have spoken along with this other riders available in the plan, if you compare the premium also, it is very less competitive in terms of lesser price as far as the riders are concerned, and that comes along with the additional benefit to the customer, wherein with the current given situation with this COVID-19, we can offer that critical illness rider, and we can also offer the hospitalization reimbursement rider, which becomes a minimum requirement for any customer who opts for the this plan from the Tata AIA. So definitely I can say that this plan gives a much more benefit than the other plan what you have named it, ma'am.
Life insurance?
Sorry?
Like Kedar is asking how much is life insurance?
Life insurance cover is given to you 10 times, ma'am. 10 times of your annualized premium.
Okay. Okay. Now we have another question. Is the life cover only during the premium paying term?
Yes, ma'am. During the premium paying term, no, not during the premium paying term. It is applicable till the policy term. Premium paying term and policy term both are different. Okay. Now, in case if customer chooses 5-year premium paying term and 5-year policy term, then your life cover will be there for 5 years only. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So like after premium paying term, if uncertainty happens, then policy benefits remains continue, right? Hello.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. So I hope you got it, ma'am. If customer is selecting
Mr. Venkatesh, your voice is breaking.
2.5-year policy term, which is a regular payment option. The
Hello.
premium, the life cover will be there till 5 years.
Yeah, Mr. Venkatesh, like we are not able to hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, let me answer your question.
Limited
Yeah,
option. Option customer pays 5 years.
I think Pradeep, it is possible. Can you reply?
Yeah, I would like to answer your question. You asked me whether what was the question, ma'am? Can you just repeat the question once?
Is the life cover only during the premium paying term?
Yeah, the life cover what is there is only for the premium paying term. Okay, ma'am. In case you're chosen a premium paying term of 5 years, the life cover will be only for 5 years. Post 5 years,
Okay.
you start getting the return. During return time, there will not be any life cover. In case any uncertainty happens during the income term, the income continues to the nominee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Now another
Welcome, ma'am.
question. Age limit is for proposer or insured?
As we discussed, the
Age limit is for insured, ma'am.
Okay.
Age limit is for the life assured, ma'am. For proposer, there is no age limit, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now Gagandeep is asking SP how much? But what is SP? Can you, Gagandeep, can you explain?
Single premium.
Hmm?
It means single premium.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So how much single premium?
For single premium, there's no limit, ma'am. You can start from 1 lakh, but then there'll be no point if you invest 1 lakh. The returns in 1 lakh will be very less. So it's better in single premium, customer tries to invest somewhere around 5 to 10 lakhs. Because investing 1 lakh and expecting a higher return, that's not possible.
Okay, okay, thank you. Now Saibal is asking, will this video be uploaded to YouTube as I joined late? Okay, we will share with you recording. Then one more question, monthly ECS possible?
Monthly premium is very much possible, but then for monthly premium, what happens is you will be supposed to pay 3 months premium. Okay, monthly premium, in case you want to pay
Okay.
monthly premium, you will have to pay 3 months premium in advance.
Okay. Okay. Now we have another question. IRR shown by you is very low, like 5.5 and 6.5%, max, which is lower than real inflation of 8 to 9%. If anyone wish to take medical insurance and invest in higher return products, then customer may get higher returns.
Ma'am, I would answer this. Ma'am, the IRR, see, over here, the IRR 5.35%, 6.06%, whatever the IRR we are showing, it is completely net of tax. Okay. Now, also, see, that is the reason, the life insurance plan, we all know that, we cannot compare with the fixed deposit as such, we can compare with the life insurance products, but what is the current rate of interest which is available in the market, ma'am? I think everybody is aware that the savings plan the offers 2.5 to 3%, and the fixed deposit offers nearly anything between 4 to 5%, right? Having said that, now if you see the what is that we are giving commitment to the customer, we are giving the commitment to the customer that return of premium along with guaranteed fixed income. Okay, so that's the flexibility what I need to talk on this particular plan. If you see a fixed income what I am guaranteeing you over a period of next 45 years for your future. Okay, and from the sales perspective I can talk about retirement planning. If you see the retirement planning, we have an example in the same slide. If I can I will just show you this particular slide once more. uh, you know just give me a moment.
Okay.
Just give me. Anyway, I will also to you. But if you see here, this particular, okay, spouse age is 49 year again, and son age is going to be 20. Okay, and having 19 lakhs per annum income and married with grown up children. Okay, this is an example in order to explain to the customer on the need based solution. Okay, I'm not talking about directly going and explain savings plan to somebody whom we have not even spoken once, right? So we know that there is a customer and there is a retirement planning which they expect, and I would definitely say 100% this plan can be recommended. Now if you see here, depending upon that example one, what is that solution we are providing? If you see 10 years premium paying term, 11 years policy term, customer is opting for and paying 2 lakh rupee premium. So for 10-year premium paying term, 2 lakh rupee customer pays. Okay, income term is opted for 35 years. Now, if you see here, tax-free income, what customer is going to get, ma'am, 1,84,000 every year. Now, after retirement, a person who is earning 19 lakh rupee income, after retirement, imagine, okay, again, there is a interest rate which is going down, right? So, of course, post-retirement, definitely there's no guarantee that whatever the interest we are earning today, it may prevail at that point of time, right? So, today I am blocking your rate, the fixed rate, and committing you that I am going to pay the same amount irrespective of any changes happening in the market. I am going to pay you the same amount without any disconnection. Correct. So thereby, actually, I am offering 5.94% interest, which is net of tax. Again, you are also getting 1.5 lakh up to 1.5 lakhs. You are getting the Section 80C benefit as well, isn't it? So overall, again, life cover to give you security for the family dependents in case if any uncertainty happens. Apart from that, I'm also ensuring that retirement planning coming with the tax-free returns, because nowadays if you go for a retirement plan which offers you annuity, again it's a taxable income, isn't it? So with that, again I have couple of examples. See again a child solution here offering 6.09% total IRR. Okay, if you see really the income comparatively, this plan offers you much more benefit than what is available in the market. Probably I can definitely say that this particular plan would makes more sense for the customer in case if he asks customer and then recommend this plan, ma'am. Purely a need based solution.
Yeah. So hopefully, Kedar, we have given you questions answer. Now we have another question. How much need minimum income for customer?
Ma'am, income, there is no the minimum income depends upon the premium what customer goes for. Okay, now for example, customer is having a 3 lakh rupee income. Okay, he can go for 50,000 rupees and 1 lakh also. So it is as per the insurance needs. It is said that at least minimum 60% of the income from this annual income can be invested into this investment markets. Okay, so again, depending upon the 5 lakh and above, we need an income proof. Otherwise, the income proof is not a problem for sourcing 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupee cases, ma'am. Again, depending upon the occupation also, the risk profile of the customer, we may ask for. Otherwise, income proof is not mandatory, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now we have another question. Can you please share product browser? So please share with us product browsers.
Yeah, sure, definitely, ma'am.
Okay.
Product brochures also we will share it to you.
Yeah, sure. And next question, can be taken by housewife?
Housewife also can be taken, and the proposer can be husband, ma'am.
Okay. So is there any criteria?
Individually also can be taken, provided in case if the housewife happens to do some small business, like any kind of a business, or in case if housewife is getting a rental income, or housewife is running a tutorials like tuition kind of a business, some small business also can be taken, or housewife, purely housewife where she does not have any income, then husband can be a proposer and source the policy.
Housewife can take this policy, ma'am. Housewife can very much take this policy, and we can show the income. In case it's asked income, we can show it as savings and deposits. She may have some income out of which, or she may have some savings out of which she is willing to take this policy. She can very much take the policy, and income can be shown by savings and deposits.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. And one more question from Kedar. We have like Venkatesh explained about IRR and inflation about this. So Kedar is telling example given by you of retirement planning are good, but it is not considering inflation. Even with tax returns are not at par with inflation. So Venkatesh or Pradeep, do you want to like answer for this question?
Yeah, ma'am, what I would say, yeah, definitely there is a challenge in the inflation factor also. But uh, uh, investing year, okay, if you compare the overall IRR, 6.09% is what we are giving over a period of time. But what makes sense for us at the current rate, if you consider the guaranteed return, if you consider the guaranteed return, what we are blocking today over a period of time, okay, that is what is at the interest of the customer and the need of the customer, what we are talking about. Okay, now in inflation, if we really need to talk on in the savings plan, we can never compare with the inflation rate, ma'am. But in case if the customer is comparing with the inflation, definitely we have other solutions which can be recommended to the customer. Right now, for example, if you compare fixed deposit with the life insurance with the current rate of interest, what is offered in the guaranteed kind of income, we can definitely do a comparison. But with the inflation, in order to beat the inflation, it is always recommended to invest in the share market like equity or unit link kind of a policies, wherein it can beat the inflation rate. But the savings plan, it is said, whatever the guaranteed offering we are available in current situation, it is more or less, it is more or less the same than the inflation rate, ma'am. But what is most important, if we look at the life insurance, is the life coverage, tax benefit, and also in the current situation, I am securing myself for next 30-40 years with the income. Okay, even if I get the same income without any challenges, right, with the rate of interest or with the the protection, or I am securing my family members who is a nominee who is receiving the same kind of income. So these are the certain points which I can talk about to the customers if I look at the savings solution. But definitely there is an inflation. If the customer comes out with the inflation rate, then we can recommend the unit link product kind of a stuff, wherein it offers 20% return, 23% return, 25% return. We do have such unit link policies also which can be recommended in case if customer is purely talking about the inflation rate, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you. Now we have another question from Jagdish. He is asking for 10 lakh single premium, what is the IRR expected?
That we need to work it out, ma'am, for single payment, because here we have given certain examples. Okay,
Okay.
we are not given a single premium examples here, but we can work it out and give it to you, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Then we have question, how much premium amount starting from to invest, like minimum premium amount for investment?
Minimum, I would say, if I as a customer, if I take this policy, minimum, minimum 2 lakhs rupee premium is what is recommended, ma'am. But what happens is that customer will really feel very much attractive the kind of income what they see. Okay. We can recommend 1,50,000 rupees also, but at the when customer actually starts receiving the income, right? Now for 1 lakh rupee income, if you start receiving 40,000 rupees, 40 to 45,000 rupees per annum for next 40 years, that may sound very low, isn't it? The kind of see, now a person who is earning a 10 lakh rupee income per annum, after retirement, in case if he gets 40,000 rupees per annum, how does it sound, ma'am? Right? So we can definitely give a comparison, while we are earning, if we start investing more during the earning period, more or less what my requirement when I retire or when I wanted to receive some income into my account, I always look at the more income as far as the incoming income is concerned. So what we always as a salesperson we need to recommend to the customer, considering current income, whatever their expenditures are there basis their income. With that we need to calculate and we need to source the investment, so that customer also get into that. Okay, when I don't have, and I am during my inactive income period, it is my responsibility, to get more income to meet my expenditure at that point of time, right? So
Okay.
it is, I would recommend, minimum 2 lakh rupee premium to source it, so that the customer will feel real benefit in terms of income is concerned, over a period of 20 years or 30 years or 40 years, whatever the income period that customer chooses.
Okay, so it's like good suggestion from you, but just for information, like we will tell how much the minimum premium amount. So maybe if
Minimum ticket
someone
size
is
you can do 50,000.
50,000. Okay, okay, fine. Now another question from Priya. What is the basic difference between GRIP and Fortune Plus?
GRIP, we have a different different income option, different premium paying term option. Okay, here we have a flexibility. There we have a fixed premium paying term option, ma'am. Like you can pay for 5
So
years.
let me answer this. One, in simple words, the difference between GRIP and Fortune Guarantee is GRIP is a whole life plan, and the entry age in GRIP is 45 to 65. Wherein, if you see in Fortune Guarantee, it is a limited income term. You can choose your income from 25 to 45 years. Income can be chosen as per the customer need, and the entry age is also very flexible. We were having this questions a lot of times that GRIP is a good plan, but then the entry age is difficult to find, 45 to 65. To overcome this challenge, we have come with Fortune Guarantee Plus, wherein you have an option of selecting your payment payout mode, as well as the entry age is 18 to 60.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Thank you, Pradeep. So hopefully, Priya, your question is clear. And now again, some query from Kedar side.
Nanama.
Hello.
Mama, anga kalyanathu card gadu enna kudu?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am. You can.
Yeah. Okay. I
Okay.
think Pradeep's okay. Fine. So Kedar is telling just a feedback. This plan will not able to meet retirement goal of client and hence difficult to recommend it.
Now, for the retirement goals, how?
Actually, Venkatesh, we have explained about IRR and inflation rate. So question from Kedar only. So that's
Yeah.
why he is responding that.
Ma'am, up to 60 years, ma'am, up to 60 years age at entry can be accepted, ma'am, here. For example, the minimum age at entry is 1 year, okay, and maximum age at entry is up to 60 years. So even a person who is at the age of 60, 55, okay, you can offer this plan. So definitely post that, with minimum income period of 25 years or 30 years or 35 years, you can give, right, ma'am?
Right. So
So
Venkatesh,
there's
sir,
no
it's
restriction
clear.
back there.
Yeah, thank you. It's clear. And Mr. Kedar, I want to tell you that if you are looking like good return, then you can go with ULIP plan where client will get good return, sir. Correct. High return will provide in ULIP plans only. So
Yeah, again, ma'am, see, even in ULIP also, see, we have a different set of customers, ma'am. Okay, that's why I was very specifically answering that, in case if customer is willing to take risk in the investment portfolio, then he is looking for higher returns, then specific to that customer need, you can definitely refer a ULIP. But again, now it becomes a taxable component even if you invest in ULIP, right? So
right.
that is also there. So looking at all those aspects, you can recommend definitely. But what while we were talking about the Fortune Guarantee Plus, we can explain definitely the benefit what this plan offers. Along with the riders. Okay, along with the rider makes sense to the customer. Where you get the hospitalization reimbursement, you are also covered with the critical illness benefit, and you also can be added for accidental death and accidental total permanent disability, right? So all these offerings in this particular plan will definitely make customer convince with the customer will make we can convince customer in that way, and it really helps the customer with the current situation, right?
Okay.
ULIP is also there, but specific need you can probably give 50%. In that case, you can probably give a 50% as a guaranteed secured income. Then you can give 50% premium into a ULIP. Like that, you can split and you can offer to the customer, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So, thank you. Now I have one query. Can you explain about joint life and single life? There is two options for taking policy, right?
Yes, joint
Yeah.
life also, ma'am. Joint life. See, again, I will just share you this content. Just a minute. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Let me go back and share that. Okay, ma'am. If you see here, I have one example for joint life also. Okay, joint life, which means the age of the in this example, the age of the person. Okay, husband and wife, uh, considering their age as 35 years. Okay, the example is prepared. If you see here option 1, okay, joint life is available in the option 1, and that too, it is joint life is available only in single premium payment option, ma'am. In regular premium and limited payment, this option is not available. Okay, that's
Okay.
point 1 what you need to make a note of it.
Mm-hmm.
So single premium payment, now in this example, if you see a 35-year age people, okay, husband and wife, paying 10 lakh rupee premium, okay, single premium 10 lakh rupee, and waiting for 5 years, because single premium payment, there is a policy term of 5 years minimum. Okay, so 5 years you need to wait. After that, if you see 6th year onwards, there is a guaranteed income which is 74,600. Okay, which is given for next 40 years, which is given for next 40 years. Now what happens during the income period, if one person dies, the second person will start receiving the income. Okay, between the husband and wife, if first person dies, it is not between first person, it's not again between the husband or wife or age factor, but whoever dies first. Okay, irrespective of that, the second person will start receiving the same income. There is no change in the income. Again, the second person also dies, then the entire income, again the same income, it continues to the nominee. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if in case, if you see, I will show you another slide as far as the death benefit is concerned. Okay, just give me a moment. It is there here only. I will just show.
Okay.
Now, what I mean to say, now for example, this portion, this particular income time, if the first person dies, the second person receives the income. If the both the person dies, then the nominee will start receiving the income. Is that clear, ma'am?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now the life cover, coming to this life cover during the policy term. Okay, because it is a single, this is a single life option, right? So
Yes.
what we offer on 10 lakhs rupees, 1.25%, okay, 1.25% is offered to the nominee in case of first person dies. In that first 5 years, first person dies, on 10 lakh rupee, 1.25% of 10 lakh rupee, that is 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. Okay, 12 lakh 50,000 rupees is being offered as a life cover to the nominee, and the policy will continue. Okay. Now, even in the same first 5 years, if the second person also dies, okay, within that 5 years, then another 10 times of the single premium is offered.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear, ma'am?
Yes.
The joint life, first person 1.25%, the second person dies, then 10 times of the single premium is offered in the same, and then the policy gets closed there.
Oh, yeah, clear. So, Venkatesh, yeah, it's clear. Thank you. Now we have one question. Can grandparents take for grandchildren?
Grandparents can definitely take, ma'am, but again, then it goes on the exceptional process. Case to case, we will take it, ma'am.
Okay.
It can be done. The only the thing is that the father and the parents, okay, immediate the parents has to give one NOC, what is the purpose of taking the insurance and paying by the grandparent, and there should be an NOC also taken from the parent that they do not have any objection, okay, in their grandparents taking the policy in the grandchildren's name. It can be done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, is there any more question from anyone, or else we are going to like end the training? I think so, Mr. Venkatesh. There is no further question, so we will end this training.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
definitely, we have Pradeep also again. Okay, in case if anybody, if not now, anybody has any questions and clarification further required, definitely please do call us. Call either Pradeep or me. So we are there to support
Yeah,
you and help you, ma'am. Right? So thank you so much,
okay,
team,
sure,
for
sure,
your
yeah.
time and patience, and have a great day, great weekend, and all the best, team.
Thank you so much, team. Thank you, Mr. Venkatesh, for your time. Okay, and thank you, team, for attending this session. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you all.